Welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I will be showing you how to activate Go2Bank card. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. After you open an account on Go2Bank, you will receive a card within 7 days. In order to activate that card, first of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome. And on the search URL, type in go2bank.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on this interface. Now, in order to activate your card, head over to the upper right corner of this interface. There, you will get a button that says activate your card. So click over there and it will take you to this page. Here on the right side of this interface, you have to fill in your card information. First of all, enter your 16-digit card number that you will see at the back side of your card. Once you're done with that, under that you have to enter your expiration date, and behind that enter your security code that you will receive on your card as well. Once you're done with that, you have to verify your identity by clicking on this box that says I am not a rover. Once you're done with that, click on continue, and after you do that, your card will be activated if you have filling your correct information here. So that's how you can activate Go2Bank card. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get updated the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.